Alright, so a lot of people have asked me how I launch the boat with kids and keeping everybody safe. So as soon as I get to the ramp, they're in their life jackets. And then, because they most of the time listen to instructions, I'll tell them to stay on the side here where I can always sort of see them when I'm backing the boat down. Now, Quintrex, first thing I did when I bought it was get the boat latch quick release installed. So come here, Blake, just hold this, mate, just shine it there for a second. And so it's a really quiet day at the ramp here. Handle up, that's fine. I've already undone the safety chain. So now,
is it filming or
what I
not?
can do is just wiggle this thing down. There we go, it's hooked on. So now I can just roll it back down in the water. Thanks, mate. As you can see, it's clipped on. And now that it's there, what I'll do is I'll actually push that down. So when the pressure comes off that, the boat will come off nice and easy. All right, boy, Blake, you go and stand with your brother. Around the other side, Mace. No, please. Not while we're backing the car down. Mace, you all right? All right, so those boys stand there. And then I'll just back this car down. All right, you hold that.
Can I hold it? Oh. Blake, hold it. Keep going.
Do not come down any further, please, Blake. Does that drop down, mate? Does the lever drop down at the front?
No. Yep. Yes, it has. That's not. Oh, yeah, it's dropped. Dropped.
It's dropped.
Drop. You just got stuck a bit. Yeah. Why does it make bubble noises?
Alright. Tied up, ready to go. Now go park the car. Alright, boys, come back up here, please, where I can see you. Up here, boys. So, even though they can swim and they've got life jackets, always keep them in sight. Alright, so we're back again. Other than successful morning, but better than sitting at home. So how do I get the boat back on the trailer? Alright, so park the rat bags there, give them a phone. They got their life jackets on still. Boat and trailer's backed in halfway. Boat catches up, ready to go. Alright.
See that knob shorts up to that. See, you have even made it. Keep going. See, pull back. See how that big? Yep, you did. No, keep going back. Keep going. Keep going. Yep. See how that hooks up to that? And it just drives off. Yep.
And that's how you get your boat out. Easy peasy. Japanesey. Those boat catchers, absolute game changer. If you're thinking about one, pay the expense and get one. It's so much easier. Alright, that's it. Fishing was terrible this morning. No other video. Enjoy.